Hello friends, recently I have purchased a product which is very useful in day-to-day life for networking people who are into wiring work, who are into networking, and they find a lot of difficulty in testing the cables. Suppose the cables are not working properly or you want to check the connectivity of the cables. So this is a very unique product. I bought it online recently and I could make out the utility of the product in a few days, that I haven't done any mistake in buying the product. So I want to show you the demo of the product, how it works. See, I bought the product and I got the sender and the receiver, and these are two cables which came along with that for testing the connectivity of the device. See, it has got two sockets over here, and these are RJ11 socket which is used for the telephone, and this is the RJ45 socket for the LAN, since it is written also there. So you just see, and some numbers are there which are indicating the connectivity of the respective cable from 1 to 8. So I'll show you how it works. Supposing there's a cable you want to check, and you want to check the cable from the other side whether it is punched properly or all the wires are working properly or not. What I'll do, I'll take to scan. In scan section, it will check all the cables in one shot. So what you'll do, you'll be able to check all the cables without any proper connectivity checking. And the other option is there, which is network option. You need to take it to the network option there. Network scan. I put the knob to the network option. I connected the cable. Now the network light is on. What I'll do, I'll click on the network testing mode. See what happens. It will simultaneously check all the wires from 1st to 8, and if any wire is not working, it will not put light on there. Supposing I'll change some other wire and show you the demo. Now I have this wire. Usually the wires which we are using, they are carrying 8 wires, but some network routers or modems, one patch cord comes along with them which has only 4 wires connected. So if we connect the 4 wire cable in the tester, see how it will show you the connectivity. So as you know that only 1, 2, 3, 6, only 4 wires are working. Now what we'll do, we'll try to check some other features of the cable, features of the cable testing device. I'll take it to the tone. I'll put this thing on the receiver. One more feature we can check in this device. Suppose there's a cable which is connected somewhere else, and you want to find it out, which is the cable which is ending on the other end. So what you have to do, now you have to turn the knob to the scan option over there. You have to put the other receiver and to the on position. This is on position. Now one more option is that there is a light also inbuilt in that, so that if you're working in dark, you can have some help with that. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this button. It's a scan button, so you have to, it won't get locked there. You have to press it whenever you want to check it. See, whenever you listen to the sound there, whenever you take the cable, the receiver to the cable, so respective cable, it will give the sound, so that you can identify there's the cable which is coming from the other end. So this works with the other telephone cables also. So the people who are doing cable wiring for the telephones also, so they have an option that they can find out the wire without properly putting any voltage or continuity checking. They can just wirelessly connect one side to the receiver to the transmitter and just wirelessly check the cable. So it's a nice device. I've used it multiple times and it has been working very nicely. I could able to check the 150 wires in around 2 hours. So it didn't take a lot of time, and I was able to recover the price of the device. So I recommend this device, and it carries 2 batteries inbuilt. It's 9-volt battery and 9-volt battery in the receiver and the transmitter. So friends, if you would like to buy this device, you can search it online, that LAN tester device, and you can gain the features of the device. So thank you so much for watching this video.